The lace edge, there's a way we need to cut it. We need a lace edge for the neck. So you want to make sure, depending on the kind of, some do not normally. We have some that are not always the same like this. This it's just an equal one that goes the same way or has the same shape all through. Some will have this color piece, some will be wide, some will be small. So you need to make sure it aligns. Just place it nicely, like you see me do. All I did was to place it just on a straight fold, like straight, and bend it over. This is for the back one, center back, and up. As you can see, this is up, and this is center back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place it this way. I'm looking for the best way to place it, or better still, yeah, I go this way and pin it down, pin it down that way. It's okay for it to be like this because of the shape at the back. It's a V-neck, but because of the edge as well, you don't expect it to go inside like that. So it's okay. It's fine if it comes out looking like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pin it down this way. You see it, and then I had half-inch sewing allowances, half inch, all the way. I already know how it's gonna look like, so I'm just okay. I have the chalk here, so just go ahead and add your half-inch sewing allowances all the way around, all the way around. You want to use your tape. If you're a beginner, you want to go ahead and use your tape. But for me, I already know what I need, so I know how half-inch does look like. So I'll go in this way. I'm still gonna try it nicely. Just want to. Okay. And half-inch, not more than half-inch. This part, half-inch. You see. So once I get it, I'll do the same thing here. You see it, half-inch. Oh, sorry, the center back was meant to be 1 inch, not even half-inch. Yeah, because it's meant to be 1 inch sewing allowance. Yeah, I made a mistake there. Da, 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 da. Yeah, it's meant to be. So that's one thing you need to take note of. I use 1 inch for the zip, except if I'm going to change it for the zip, you can make the zip to be 0.5. So that's just the way to go about cutting it. And then I'll go ahead. I already know where the upper part is. You want to make sure you notch it for the center back. You can notch it for you to be able to know where it is. And for the front, we'll go ahead and cut the front now. And for the front one, you want to go ahead and then just place the fabrics like this. So let me try and take it out so that can you see? Just bend the fabric on a straight line. Make sure the edges align, as you can see. Yeah, as you can see, the material is moving. So what you want to do, place this is center front. I'm just going to be placing it like this and placing it like this, and then I'll pin it down. This part I'm going to be taking a dart on that part. So just like this, you can see. So the only part I will be needing to add allowance is just here and here. This one I'm going to be sewing on this part, like taking the darts. I'll take it that here. I don't need to cut it out. Just stitch it down on that part. You get it? So I'll go ahead now and just go like this. Add half-inch sewing allowances all the way around. Half-inch sewing allowances. Then for this part, it's going to be a dart. I'm just going to stitch it to give it a V shape. And that is all we need, guys. next thing I'll do now is to take to the sewing machine. This is the way it's going to be on the body. Take the sewing machine and sew a dart here. I don't even mind starting from here. Just mark it, start from here and end here. And once you open it, you have the V shape. Go ahead and place on the fabric. If it's not laying down, you want to hold some darts. But I'll show you that along the way. That's your pattern set ready. Go back and pull the front with the lace edge.